What are the common myths and facts about the HPV vaccine? HPV is the infection you probably didn't know you have. Around 8 in 10 people get it at some point in their life. HPV stands for human papilloma virus. It's the name for a group of more than 200 viruses that infect humans. Infections with HPV can lead to cancers such as cervical cancer and also genital warts. So can you prevent yourself from getting HPV? Well, with the vaccine, you can. Here are some common myths about the HPV vaccine. Unfortunately, there are many myths and misconceptions about the HPV vaccine, but in this video, I'll address some of the most common ones. Only women can get HPV. HPV can affect anyone who's having genital to genital contact, including men, women, and individuals of any sexual orientation and gender identity. The HPV vaccine encourages sexual activity. The HPV vaccine doesn't encourage sexual activity, but it is recommended in young people before they're sexually active to give them the most protection against HPV. The HPV vaccine is not safe. The HPV vaccine is safe and has been extensively tested by lots of organizations such as the WHO and CDC. Only women or men who have sex with multiple partners can get HPV. Anyone who's sexually active can get HPV regardless of the number of sexual partners they have had. If you have HPV, you would definitely get cancer. Whilst there are some strains of HPV that can lead to cancer, most infections clear up on their own. However, regular smear tests or pap smears are important. The HPV vaccine is only recommended for young people. Whilst the HPV vaccine is recommended for young people before they become sexually active, it can be given in adults. It is still effective in some cases, protecting against certain strains of HPV, even if it's given at a later age. Pap tests can detect all cases of HPV. Pap tests can detect abnormal cells on your cervix that might be caused by HPV. You can also get HPV tests, and they are recommended in certain population groups. It is important to know the facts about HPV to better protect yourself and your sexual partners. If you are worried or concerned, it's best to speak to your doctor, who will be able to go through your concerns with you. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope it was informative.
Have you ever heard of HPV?
No, tell me all about it.
You can ask me 2 questions on it.
Okay, what is it?
So,
HPV.
Yeah, human papilloma virus.
Ooh.